Sonata is an open source project that is moving forward the flexible programmability of 5G networks. On one hand, we are providing an NFV-enabled SDK that is a development environment that is supported the developer with a set of tools. On one hand, they can edit, they can create what we call a service, a network service, that is a composition of VNF of different vendors, so it's a multi-vendor. And in that sense, they can combine, create the network service, the editor, test it in a local environment and an emulator. And in the end, they create a package of this network service. The service platform is in charge of taking this network service and going for the deployment, so it controls, it has internally an open MANO framework that is modular, and we are able to control the placement, we are able to control the execution, the life cycle of the different BNFs, and finally monitor what is going on in the infrastructure. The third main outcome of the project, we are supporting an extended DevOps model, the part of development and the part of the operational part, across multiple organizations, because the developers, I would say, are organizations like vendors or even third-party vendors, third-party developers that are creating BNFs. On the other hand, you have the telecom operators that are in charge of operating the network. We are reducing the time to market for network services. I mean, the time in which it's necessary to develop and deploy a network service is reduced. On the other hand, we are reducing the barrier, the entry barrier for third-party developers, because through this mechanism, they can develop VNFs that could be integrated in bigger network services. In terms of collaboration, Sonata has been co-leading the Software Networks Working Group in the 5G PPP initiative. So as a project coordinator, we have been leading and pushing for the creation of a white paper in the working group and actively contributing with content. All results of Sonata are released in open source, so are available to be uptaken, especially by Phase 2 projects on the 5G PPP initiative. One of the projects of Phase 2 is 5G Tango. So there is the commitment to uptake and build on top of Sonata results and continue expanding the functionalities